Okay guys, today is Friday, so the market did tank in the morning. I didn't get this trade because it's a Friday. I don't want surprises. I don't want to get a drawdown. Okay, so we did this clean trade here. We entered at 31.40 over here. I don't know, Ninja does this all the time. And we saw the high volume over here. We saw Nasdaq reversing too, and we are still in this trade, guys. Okay, so for me today will be just one trade and I'm done. I gotta run today. And we see the YM just running again. We can exit one trade here,
Target
one lot
filled.
here, and we're gonna let the other one run. So we already have the profit target reached. So okay, we
Target
exit here. You
filled.
see, that's what I tell you, that the market can just go crazy today. So okay, so it's 600 for me today. So I'm done for the day, and that's it, guys, for today. Yeah, the market did tank in the morning, but the support here was very strong, along with the Nasdaq, along with the YM. They hit the same support, so the market just stopped there and reversed. Okay, guys, if you're interested in the system, let me know. There's a link in the description of this video. There's my contact information. If you're interested, send me an email. Thanks for watching.